Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you target based on location with your Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to target based on location with your Facebook ads anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Even if you're running an online business, you know that your ideal customer sometimes is going to be in a certain country or even a certain state or city. And with Facebook ads, you can target by location. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Ads Manager, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to target by location, you need to click on this grid icon here on the left. It's called Campaigns. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different campaigns you're running. So go ahead and choose the campaign you want to target based on location. So for example, this one, when you hover over it, click on Edit. Okay, now the location is going to be handled in the ad set. So with Facebook ads, the top level is going to be campaign. Underneath the campaign, you're going to have various ad sets, and in each ad set, you're going to have various ads. So here on the left, you can see I just have one ad set for this campaign. So let me click on it. Okay, so here in the ad set, we're going to scroll down until we see locations. So you can see this one is set up for California. So if you want to edit it, go ahead and just click on the pencil icon. All right, so here are the locations. So I already have California there, but let's say we want to go ahead and add in Florida as well. So I'll just type in Florida, and I can choose the state, and now I can target Florida as well. Now, a lot of times this is going to be checked. So basically, when it's checked like that, that means that Facebook can extend your reach beyond, in my case, Florida and California. They can show ads to people who are interested in Florida and California. I don't really like that for my particular offer, so I'm going to uncheck that. Okay, now what you can do is you can also restrict based on geography. So for example, we have California and Florida, but maybe I don't want to sell to people that are in Los Angeles. So I'll click here, exclude, change from include to exclude, and I'm going to type in Los Angeles. And I'll just choose this one, the DMA. Okay, so now you can see my ads are going to show to California and Florida. However, if they are in California, but happen to be in the Los Angeles DMA as well, those are going to be excluded from seeing my ads. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to target based on geographic location with your Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.